Today, I'm excited to share how I built my first AI-powered agent using N8N. For those who don't know N8N, it's a powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to visually connect your favorite apps and services without any coding required. What I enjoyed was how simple it is to integrate AI into these workflows. In just a few clicks, I added an AI agent and chose the LLM model I wanted. Let me show you a basic but useful workflow I set up. It connects N8N with my Google Calendar to check my availability and automatically schedules an event. Here's the breakdown. First, I set up a chat input. Next, I added an AI agent powered by OpenAI that handles the natural language. Added two Google Calendar tasks, one to search my availability, the other one to create an event. The way it works, I can open up my chat window. I can give it a command, check my availability for next week. The chat's going to send it to the agent, who's then going to go through the AI chat model. And as you can see, it looked at my availability and it would say that there's really nothing scheduled. Would you like to schedule an event during that time? If so, please let me know the details. I can say, yes, schedule a meeting with Jane Doe at 1 p.m. on April 4th. You'll notice I'm not giving it a year. It's going to know the current date and time, and it's going to go through the AI chat model through its agent. And as you can see over here with the green check mark, it created an event. Over here from the logs, you can go see what it did. I can go look at my AI chat model, give me all the details about my Google Calendar, and then all the details that I have for my chat. And the cool thing about it is I can even click on my view event. It's going to go directly into my Google Calendar. And you can see that on April 4th at 1 p.m. on April 2025, it scheduled a meeting with Jane Doe. Creating an AI agent using N8N is quite simple. I'll give you a quick tutorial. I'll go into my new workflow. I'll add a new step. So I'll just add my chat trigger. I can just keep all the defaults here. I don't need to modify anything. From my chat message, I'll add a new AI agent. I can keep everything as is. I'm just going to add a system message to this. The system message is just going to tell the AI agent what it's doing for me. You'll notice that your role is my calendar assistant. It's your job to add things to my available time slots on my calendar. The tools you have available will allow you to find empty time slots first and then create events once you confirm time slot with me. And then I have today's date and time. I will then go back to my canvas. Once my agent is set up, you'll notice the 3 plus signs here. I'm going to add a chat model, I'm going to add the memory, and I'm going to add the tool that it's going to interact with. So with my chat model, you can see that you have all kinds of options. You can connect it to Anthropic, Azure OpenAI. I can connect it to Gemini, but in my case, I'm just going to use OpenAI. I've already created my accounts, but if you don't have an account, you can create an account. All you need is your API key. To get your API key, all you need is to go to OpenAI's API key platform, create your secret key. That's fine. Put in your secret key. It will automatically connect. I've already created my connection, but from the list, you can see once it connects, I can use whichever chat model that's available for me. I'm just going to stay with the GPT-4 mini. I'll go back to my canvas. From my memory, I'm going to add a simple memory. Now, what the memory does is it will keep the number of questions in memory. I'm just going to leave it to the default as 5. I will add a new tool. And then it has a lot of different tools you can interact with. If I look at Excel, I can connect to Excel. You have Microsoft tools. You can integrate with Teams, Outlook. And so I'm just going to use my Google Calendar. I'm just going to choose my Google Calendar tool. I'm going to create it on, I'm going to have a resource on event. I'm going to have the create tool. I'm going to choose my calendar from the list. If you haven't created the connection, you can easily create a brand new connection. You just sign in with your Google account and it'll create the connection. So I'm connecting to my Gmail account and I can go back. The first one was create. The other one is going to be to schedule. So I'm going to use the schedule tool here from the operation. I'm just going to change this one to check my availability So I'm going to choose my recess calendar. It's going to check my availability. I'll close that. I have my memory over here. So it's ready to go.